Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I'm creating this light and fresh makeup look with products that I already have, so it's basically a shop my stash. If you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. And if you like my content and my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I am first going to start off with this Glossier Priming Moisturizer. This is a really nice moisturizer, very lightweight, great for priming, as it says. It's very hydrating and it kind of just goes on and disappears into the skin. For foundation, I'm going to use the rest of my Bareminerals Complexion Rescue. It's in 1.5 Birch. There might still be a few little uses left. It just keeps coming out more and more, and I did order a new tinted moisturizer. When one of them is almost out, as this one's almost out, then I do order another one just so I have something on backup. And I always have a squeeze tube tinted moisturizer type of foundation on hand because that's one of my favorite daily foundations to use at home or wherever, whenever I'm at, you know, family's houses and staying over, then that is kind of one of my dailies. A nice tinted moisturizer that's hydrating. So I'm going to be trying out a brand new one. It's not new to the market, but it's definitely new to me. When I get it, I will put it on display. For concealer, I'm using this Bareminerals concealer, and it is like a corrector all in one, which is really nice. I'm just gonna use my dry sponge and go right under. For powder, I am going to use this Givenchy powder. I originally got the pastel #1 color story, but I mean, if I were to pick another one a second time, which I'm nowhere near running out of this one, but if I were, I may pick a different color because this is just a little too cool toned. And I mean, it's pretty cool toned. Thought it would be helpful since it had like the green in there, but it's just pulling a little too cool tone. But if you use it more sparingly, then it's fine. It is scented, but it's like a floral scent and I like it. It's not overpowering like the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. So it's pretty nice. If you can see there, it's pretty undetectable. For bronzer, I'm going to use my favorite bronzer, and this is Lumiere. It's the Star Bronzer Natural Glow. It's the Lancome Star Bronzer Natural Glow in the color 01 Lumiere. And this is my favorite bronzer. I'm gonna use the Patrick Ta fluffy side of the brush. And that's the Star Bronzer. It's just really, I really like whatever about it. The color, there is a bit of a rosy tone to it. It's hard to tell on camera, but there is a slight rosiness and there is like gold shimmer in there. But I think if you have a golden complexion, like golden olive like I do, then the gold doesn't come through at all, not in any annoying way anyways. For blush, I'm using this Haus Labs. It's the Rose Quartz highlighter, and I love using highlighters as blushes because I love a good shiny cheek. Just like that. And then I'll just use the powder brush and just kind of soften up the edges. Just like that. I love that. Just a fresh, beautiful, glowy look. And I'll just quickly do my eyebrows. I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris, underline the eyebrow like I usually do, and brush it. Just like that. And that pretty much is it for the brows. I will do my lips first and then I'll move on to the eyeshadow. So for the lip liner, I'm using this. It's the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip, and I have to sharpen it. So this is the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in the color 3C. I love this as a daily lip liner. It's really, really pretty. It doesn't last all day, and that's why I did order a new extreme waterproof one, their newest formula. And I will compare the 3 formulas that they have. They have the original pencil, just the Anywhere pencil, drawing pencil. And then they have this Aqua Lip one. And then Makeup Forever has that newest extreme waterproof. So I will put those to a test as soon as I get that in the mail. For the lip product, I'm going to use this Lisa Eldridge lip balm called Epanoi, and this is the mauve one. And that's Epanoi. It's a really nice tinted balm. And it does, of course, wear away. It is just a tinted balm. And it's nice, but I've said before, it's kind of a drying formula for me personally. So I'm going to use it, of course, because I always need a lip balm, but it almost doesn't serve its purpose as a lip balm for me. And that's why I love the Ali Glines lipsticks, because they're balmy lipsticks, and those are absolutely perfect. They're so hydrating for drier lips. Anyways, moving on, I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going to use this palette. Haven't used it in a while, and I'm wanting to use this purple one right there. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush and apply it to the whole lid. For this particular eyeshadow color, I wanted to use a black liquid eyeliner just to have a little bit more of a strong contrast in the eye area. I'm going to apply this mascara. It's a sample size and it's the Benefit Fan Fest. And that is the mascara all finished. I may just add a little bit more powder. I'm going to use this little puff that it comes with. It's definitely really, really nice and blurring for sure. And it doesn't seem as drying as other powders. And that concludes my look for today. I hope you guys like it. It's just a sort of a fresh and fun look with just products that I already owned. Hope you guys had a wonderful week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.